the sovereign beauty which I do admire, witness the world how worthy to be praised. The light whereof hath kindled heauenly fyre in my fraile spirit, by her from basenesse raised, that being now with her huge brightness dazed, base thing I can no more endure to view, but looking still on her I stand amazed at wondrous sight of so celestial hue. So when my tongue would speak her praises due, it stopped as with thought's astonishment. And when my pen would write her titles true, it ravished is with fancies wonderment. Yet in my heart I then both speak and write the wonder that my wit cannot indite.